Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the echo command. The function of the echo command is to pass the data into a new file or existing file. You can also simply use it to display the data, and you can also use it to display the list of files or directories inside your directory, just like the ls command. Alright, so first of all, let me just open up the terminal, and now I have to open up the files. Alright, okay, so first of all, we're gonna simply display the data. Okay, so for that you're gonna write the echo, okay, double quotation, it would be hello world. All right, it will simply display the data. Okay, so I think we can also do it without these double quotations. Let me just try it. Yes, we can do it. All right, so you can simply print out the data whatever you want with the help of echo command. And now I'm gonna simply display the list of files or the directories inside the home directory with the help of echo. So for that, what you need to do, you're gonna write the echo and then you're gonna use the star, and it will simply display you the directories or the files inside the home directory. All right, just like the ls command. So we can also use it to pass the data inside the file. It could be the existing file and it could also be the new file. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the documentary. All right, here as well, and now I just want to pass the data to my new file.txt. You can see this file. So as you can see, this file has these 10 lines of the text. Now we're gonna add some more text here. Okay, so I'm gonna add the same text. All right, what you need to do, you're gonna write these arrows. Okay, then you have to write the name of the file where you want to pass the data. So I just want to pass the data to the new file.txt and hit the enter. All right, okay, there is a typo mistake. It's txt. Hit the enter and the data is passed to our new file, as you can see here. Okay, our data is passed into the new file.txt. This is how you can pass the data into the existing file. But for example, if you just want to pass the data to the new file, what you need to do, you're gonna write the name of the file, whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna simply write the new file 2, and you can see we don't have any file with such name. So I'm gonna hit the enter and it will simply create a new file and it will have our data, as you can see here. So this is how the echo command works. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.